Hello everyone, welcome back to Elf Engineering with me, Chief Elf Holly. I'm afraid Jolly will not be able to join us today because I have given her a very important elf task and I know that she is busy doing it. But I will teach her all about this later. Don't you worry, because today we're doing something super cool. Candy cane coding. We're going to use binary code, which is used in computer science, and pipe cleaners and pony beads to make a candy cane to hang on our Christmas tree. And the binary code is going to make letters to spell a very special word. It's a very special word to this elf's heart. Can you guess what it is? Christmas is a good one. Holly, of course, that's another good idea. But this is actually a word that you use not just at the holiday season, but all year round. And that word is library. I know, what a great word, right? So we're going to spell the word library using binary code, and we're going to have the red beads represent the number 0. And we're going to have the white beads represent the number 1. And we're going to use our special candy cane binary decoder that's in your project pack to create the word library using those beads. Now, before we start putting the beads on, there's something very important we have to remember to do. If we just start stringing them on, what's going to happen when they get down here? That's right, they're going to fall right off. So the first thing we have to do is make a little knot down here. You can just do a little twisty twist if you don't actually want to tie a knot, because it's kind of hard to tie a knot in pipe cleaners, I'll just tell you that. But look, if I just kind of twist it together, it's just fatter at that end, and so then the beads will not fall off. Now, the other thing that I have to make sure I pay attention to is on this coding, some of these letters are capital letters and some are lowercase. So I'm going to spell library with an uppercase capital L. So I'm going to look in this column for the first letter and then this column for the other letters. And also remember that every letter in binary code is a mixture of 8 zeros and 1s. So that's a way to check yourself when you add each letter. Did you use 8 beads for that letter? Now, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to build it so that the L starts right here and is going to go this way. Let's do this thing. Uh-oh, I still have 2 more letters, but I'm running out of pipe cleaner. So what do I need to do? Take my extra one and just give a little twist, 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 so that I'm making my pipe cleaner longer. And now I can fit the last 2 letters, R and Y. Did you notice the oopsie I had? That's right. My pipe cleaner came untwisted, but it's an easy fix. Just slide the beads down a little bit so I can twist again. Twist, twist, and then slide them back into position. But now, are we having a similar problem at this end of the pipe cleaner that we did down here? Yeah. One, we've got a ditch. This is too long, so let's cut, boop, that extra off. And then let's use, uh-oh, look, I did it again. My twisting is not great today. Do you ever have to do something over and over again and again because it just didn't work right the first time? You do? That's happened to you? Okay, I feel better. I was worried maybe it was just me. Maybe only I made these mistakes. But the important thing is, if you make a mistake like that, to try to fix it. And don't just give up. Try and try again. I think one of the problems is that I'm a little nervous about the metal that's inside a pipe cleaner. Did you know there's metal inside a pipe cleaner? Yeah, that's what makes it be bendy, which we need it to be bendy. Because after I get this twisted back in position and I get these beads on here and I tie off this bottom, and how did I tie off the top? That's right. You can either make an actual knot or just twist it till it's a bumpy knot at the end. Boop, boop, boop. That's why you wanted to leave a little bit down there. Once I do that, to make this a candy cane shape, what do I need to do? That's right, I need to bend it. Look, it's a candy cane shape that way. It's a candy cane shape that way, and now that it's bent, I could hang it up, boop, on my tree. And so I will have a library binary candy cane Christmas ornament. Super great. Now, you want to make another candy STEAM activity? Of course you do. I just need, wait a minute. Wait, oh man. I asked Jolly to put them on the table. I need some peppermints. Sorry guys, I'm gonna go get the peppermints. And also, while I'm getting that, I'm gonna go hang this on my tree. I'll be right back.
Hiya, it's Jolly. And guess what? I didn't put those peppermints on the table on purpose. Because guess what again? It's time for a very special treat. It's time for Jokes with Jolly. That's me. All right, are you ready for the funniest joke you've ever heard? Okay. What is an elf's favorite kind of music? You give up? Okay, I'll tell you. It's rap music. Get it? It's rap music? Like gift wrap? That's so funny. Oh, wait a minute. I hear some footsteps. I think Holly's coming back. I gotta go. Bye.
Well, bad news. I couldn't find Jolly. And worse news, I cannot find where she put the peppermints. But luckily, I know that you guys have seen peppermints before, right? They're those circles with red and white stripes, and they come wrapped in the cellophane. Well, did you know you can do a super cool physics stacking project with them? You totally can. So first you need to remove the cellophane from the peppermints. Yeah. And then of course put the cellophane in the trash because we want to be tidy, right? Right. And then you take the peppermints that are just bare peppermints and you put one on the bottom. And then you stack another on top and another on top and another. And see how tall of a tower you can build. Because are those peppermints exactly flat? No, so you're really gonna have to work on balance. And I probably don't need to remind you, but I would need to remind Jolly, so I'll remind you too, just in case. When you've been building with those peppermints and you've had your hands all over them, or especially if your whole family has been touching those peppermints at the same time, should you just eat those peppermints? No, don't eat those peppermints. save some other peppermints and eat those later. Or maybe go and find a candy cane that is not made of pony beads and binary code. I know that you will enjoy that tasty STEAM treat. I'm so glad you were part of Elf Engineering today, and I will see you next time. And maybe, finally, I can get Jolly to be in this too. You think I can? Being chief elf is so hard. But all right, gotta go. See you later. Bye-bye.